have the right literature for the Expo, so visitors can take something tangible about your organization away with them. In today's video, we will look at the printed items you'll want to take at the Expo. What you take to the event will depend on the type of event you are planning to attend. Some items, such as business cards, company brochures and information sheets, are very much standard. Sometimes it can be worthwhile considering customized print for price lists, data capture cards, qualification sheets, prize draws and show offers. Bespoke printing helps project a professional image of the organization. So what should you consider when printing? Give yourself time. Ordering, branding. Everyone has a lead time, whether it's the designer or the printer. So give yourself time to agree the initial concepts, imagery and text. Printing last minute may not only be more expensive, but can often result in rushing the proofreading and missing mistakes. First, compile a list of everything, obtain quotations and lead times, and don't feel pressured to over-ordering in bulk to save money on unit cost. It's more effective to purchase the correct quantities than to have excess stock not being used. Another tip is to maintain a stock level of how much you are taking of each item to the Expo. Not only will this help you when planning future expos, but it'll give you a good indication of how many people visited your stand. The branding throughout needs to deliver a strong and consistent image. Unfortunately, some exhibitors use a mixed bag of materials, produced in different years, giving a confusing and contradictory message. The materials should reinforce one another to deliver a cumulative impact. When it comes to print, plan early and give yourself plenty of time. Order the correct quantities and make the note of print you are taking to the event. And finally, keep the brand strong and consistent throughout. Our next post will still be focused on the 5th P, print and merchandise, and discuss merchandise in more detail, what it adds to an event and whether it could add value for you.